Today we're making a game with random tile maps. Like, if you don't know what that means, that kind of is like, if you say, when you start a game, you don't always have to have the same tile map. You can get random different tile maps. So like that, you can get into a level that you may not want to be in, and then you'll have to restart the game. But that won't be necessary. Since you only have to press the reset button if you don't like the level, and then you just press the start button or something to start the level. So it's kind of like this game I made. I know it has a goofy name since I couldn't find the right name for it. So here's the taco. You press A on the play, you start. And this is one of my time maps. If you reset again, press A. Well, that was the same one, but this time I'll get correct. This time will be a different one. You see? That's a different one. This is completely random, picked from my 3 drawn tile maps. I don't know which one is gonna get picked. I actually don't. I don't myself, but I know what the tile maps look like. But I apparently do not know which one is gonna pick. So yeah. So that's what we're gonna be making today. Press new project. I hope I can find a good name for this. What about Monkey Adventure? Monkey Adventure. Good. If you look there, the starting image looked very close to the player. You know how I did that? First go to a sprite, drag it to the outside. You can draw your sprite. Or you could just do a different thing. This is going to be simple. An X perhaps. Meh. Maybe this is good, maybe not. Maybe I'll do some of these. And on here too. Maybe I'll even make it turn. Or something. But yeah. Not making this too complicated. Just a random spread. But that kind of looks like a weapon instead of a player. And now we're going to go to the gallery. Don't delete this. Not yet. Since the last time I deleted this, the sprite had to still be a little different. We're gonna go to my assets. Yeah, I think. And since the background image is 160 and 120, that's it. Now we got this tool. Surround it. Get this corner. Make it bigger. Yeah, I think that's good. And over there, there's kind of a speech bubble that says play, but I'm not doing it. I don't want it to be black, so I'm gonna do with some orange lines like that. Whoa. Drawings. So it kind of looks like a weapon flying or something. And then we're going to the extensions. This is going to be a quick one. We're not actually talking about the arcade story extension. We're just going quick, okay? Just through the one that says play. We're not adding anything in this one. Speech. It says play and then go on. If last answer equals play, the background image is gonna go plain blue. And get a function, call it play. Put this inside and call it. And we're gonna say move it with your buttons. 0. The camera's gonna follow the sprite. And we need our time. And now for a random time loop. We're going to set tile maps. I don't know why it turned to tile maps. But well, it is tile maps, but well, I guess that's fine. If you go to images and just drag this in like we did with the one about the character select, it won't work. Sounds over here, if you want to draw a tile map in this, it won't work. If you say, this is my tile map, and then say, I want walls, look at the tile map thing. Oh no, there's no walls, because this isn't the tile map block. This is just drawing a sprite block. So we can't use this. We have to use not these, but see, and do these. I'm gonna just have 2 different ones for today. And I'm gonna go beep, boop, beep, 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 boop, beep, 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 and a couple like that. Good. No, notice this one's the same. We're gonna grab the empty one. Since if we made this mistake, this is really bad mistake. So I'm gonna show it to you in a different game. Hala. Okay. We say we grab a sprite. Say it's an orange cube. Say it has the acceleration Y. Yeah, it can move with buttons. Yeah. Then we have a tile map. We do a random tile map thing that I just showed you. We'll just call list. And go to tile maps. 2. And then if we did, ooh, I'm gonna work really hard on this one. And then I have all these complicated things. And then after I turn it all to walls, I go to the next one. Hey look, it's the same. I hope this one won't mess up my first one. It probably won't. So I just erase it all and start a new one. Using sand. Like that. That looks cool. But then, if you look at this one, oh no, my first tile map is ruined. If you go to sets, you can't find it. There's only one. So, don't do that. I'm gonna quickly delete this one. If you look, I have lots of projects. Wait, why is it so shit? Delete. Good. Monkey Adventure plus opens here. So don't do that. So we're gonna grab the empty one, okay? Go like that. Beep, boop, beep, beep, beep. And then beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. And then like that. Now, this isn't a really complicated one, so you really don't want to work too hard on my time lapse. Well, I kind of drew since this video is about tile map select, but still. Now we're gonna grab the get round of value from tile maps. Now if you look, press play. This is my tile. And if you go again, press play. Well, I need to first hit the acceleration Y so you can see it more clear. Acceleration Y, the 500, and quickly do it. Well, first you're gonna say game start. Set game start to 1. And go back to this spot, pop 1 in, game start to 0. On up button pressed. If sprite is hidden wall bottom, just to describe what that means, since we haven't been using this one very much, it means if the sprite is hitting a wall on his bottom, then if he presses A, well, if he presses up, he jumps. So he can't jump in mid-air since he's not hitting the wall on his bottom. Got that? So now he can jump around. This is a tile map. No. I think. Okay, so this is a tile map, and if you press play again, this is a different tile. You see that? It's awesome. So you can add some effects if you want. Anything technically. This is our game. Since I still have other videos, you can watch those, and those have cool things too. Some of my videos have this effect extension, and then that can make your sprite have really cool effects. And it also in that video also shows you how to dash and stuff. Okay. So I guess this is it. This is it for our game. Wait, oh, I forgot. Why do we need the game start? Grab the and. Pop that in. Go there, say, grab it equals. Put this one in. Grab game start. Put. So you can only jump when the game starts. You don't want your player to be able to jump. If you press up, it just bugs. So you can't do that now, and you can jump in the game and it won't bug. If you don't like the bugging thing, you can leave it, and this is the result if you leave it. I've actually never tested this before, so it actually might work better. It also bugs. So yeah, so technically no use to do that, but I guess that just makes more sense. Maybe a little. And for the story thing, you can. I'm just gonna teach you a little of the story. You can print blah 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 blah. 0 0. You see, you can print stuff at different positions. But me myself, I don't like this so much, except the choices thing. It's kind of really cool. I can say blah and maybe top and cha and ma or something. Yeah. Then you see, as you can, I did it. And that was just a little, but right now we don't have the code ready, so we really shouldn't be doing anything about it. Just delete the writing on this one. And if you notice, if there's no writing on this one, it disappears. If you do a T, a new slot appears for it. But if you just do one delete, it's gone. Okay, so this is technically the thing that we're making. This is technically it for today. That's it. But you can always watch my other videos for cool things too. And you can all add all my videos together and make the best game. Okay, so bye. Hope you have a good day. Bye.